Estamos entrando a Rise of the Resistance. Estamos entrando a Rise of the Resistance a las 12 menos 10 de la mañana. Los turnos para hoy se han agotado en una hora. O sea, es decir, a las 9:30, 10 menos cuarto de la mañana ya estaban dados todos los grupos y ya estamos entrando a la que dicen que es la mejor atracción de la historia de todos los parques temáticos del mundo. Así que vamos a disfrutar y luego a la salida os contamos de todo detalle. Os vamos a animar a que si está súper chula, que seguramente sí, vengáis para verlo, ¿vale? Vamos a disfrutar de ella como Dios manda.
Identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this.
You will pay. The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
They're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Resistance, we're gonna bust you out. This way, this way.
It's gonna take you to the escape pod. You don't go anywhere else but through. Good luck, and may the force be with you.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, it goes to the prisoners.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detachment to level D. There they are! Fire!
Take cover, recruits! If anyone's backing up
resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck. All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, scan for his pod beacon.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending.
Lieutenant back here.
Beck! You're live!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo!
Salimos de Rise of the Resistance y nos está diciendo adiós todo. Bye, bye, thank you. Es impresionante. Tiene de todo, es un circuito, tiene caída libre, tiene simulador, tiene pantallas de última generación, tiene actores, tiene todo, tiene todo. Di tú algo. Ha flipado con lo de la caída libre, no esperábamos, la verdad. Pero está, me pongo así para que me veáis bien, está genial. Es súper larga y lo hacen súper ameno, así que es bestial. Os la recomiendo 100%.